Different class, I did different problems. This one, you at minus 21, minus 21. Want to see how much DVD movies you can download. Get 3m equals to 19. You divide by 3, divide by 3. Here, let's see. To figure it out, you have to divide 19 by 3 to find out how many movies. You get 6 movies, okay, with a left of $1. So how many movies can you download? You can download 6 movies. Right here, our answer is 6. 6 movies. Okay. With $1 left over. Okay, here you're just solving just like your IXL x.16. We did this in class. That's 3m plus that 5. Additive inverse here. Okay, and these are like right there. You get negative 13 plus negative 4x. Okay, and here there's an invisible 1 here. Distribute, you get negative 4x. Distribute, you get a positive 2 plus that h. And then these are alike right here. Combine them. H and not x right here, please. And that gets you a positive 4h plus 2, and that's your answer there. Here, additive inverse there. Okay. You distribute, that's a negative 1 times 2 is positive 2. 2 negative is a positive. C, and here's 2 negative also is a positive 10. 10 minus 10 minus 10. 2c equals 0. Divide by 2, and your answer is 0. One solution. This is called one solution, one letter, one solution. Okay, most of them will be one solution. Right here, you make 0 because of the plus sign. Make 0 to 11 minus 11, you get negative 3 there. You get 3m. Divide by negative 5. M, 2 negative when you're dividing is a positive. 3 over 5. Okay, additive inverse, invisible 1. Distribute. Negative 5 plus positive 6 because it's a negative and a negative. I forgot the n there. Equals to negative 14. Make 6 equal to 0. Plus signs, you need to make one of them equal to 0. 2 negatives you add right here. Negative 20 equals to negative 5n. Divide by negative 5. Get n equals to 4. 4 is n. Oh, one solution. One solution. Okay, number 8, additive inverse, multiply negative 12b plus a 20 add 12b, 4b, 20 equals to that, divide by 4. Okay, additive inverse. Make 0 to the y minus 9y because this is a y. Add them because they're both negative, so you get negative 13y. This is 0 equals to negative 14. Divide by negative 13. Y equals 2 negative is a positive. One solution. Okay, this one here. Additive inverse. Because the plus sign, you make 0. This has a z. Make 1 0 to z minus 8z. Add them together because they're both negative, so you get negative 20z. Bring down the negative 10, divide by negative 20. 2 negative is a positive. Divide both by 10, you get 1/2. It's one solution. Okay. One letter, one solution. Okay? And then some of the class we finish all these three. They're all one solution. Notice they all have one letter left. They're all one solution too. Okay. Number 14. Distribute first, additive inverse. Get 4x plus negative 40 equals to 10x. 8 plus. Okay, combine these, you get negative 32 plus 4x equals to 10x minus 4x. Divide by 6, it doesn't go in evenly. So you divide by 2, you get 16 negative over 3x. This is called one solution, one letter left. Okay, this one here, same thing, additive inverse where there's a minus, distribute, invisible 1, 1h, plus multiply these guys, 3h plus a negative 6, combine these together, get 4h plus a negative 6. That equals each time to negative 9, nothing you can do. Subtract 9, oh, that doesn't get us 0. There's a plus sign, you need 0. You need to add the 6. Divide both sides by 4. H is negative 3 over 4 is equal to h. Okay, and then here, additive inverse. Oh, these are alike. Get negative 8y plus negative 5. Add 5. Divide by 8. Negative. You get x equals to negative reduced by 2, 7 over 4. One solution. Okay, we got additive inverse. Make 0 to one of the variable because notice they're on both sides. I would add 7g, that gets us 0. At 7g, that gets us 14g. We didn't do anything to the plus 7, so we put plus 7. Okay, and we didn't do anything to the negative 5. Make 7 equal to 0 by minusing 7. Got negative 12 equals to 2. 14g, divide by 14. Divide by 2, you get 6 over 7. Okay, and then here's 18, here's 19. Additive inverse, same thing. Because there's a minus here plus a negative. Make one of them equal to one of the y equal to 0. I choose the smaller one of the two. It's easier that way, 0 plus. That's a negative 12 minus 8 minus 8. Okay, divide by 5. One solution, right? One letter, one solution. Okay, number 20, and there's 21. So I only need to do additive inverse to this one here. I need to distribute here. I get negative 8n plus, it's a negative 24. Okay, equals to 8n plus a negative 24. Make one of the variables 0 because there's a plus sign. Add 8n. 0, 0, you get negative 24 equals 2. 0 plus negative 24 is negative 24. This is called infinite solution. Okay. And then I finish, oh, one more. Number 23, right? Plus a negative, there's invisible 1, distribute, get 2m negative plus 10, negative 2m plus 10, make the 2m 0, because they're on both sides, best to make one of the variables equals to 10. This is called infinite solution. Okay, and that's how you do the rest of these right over there. Make sure you got everything. All right.